Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So I'm at Excel London and it's an exhibition center, and I am here for Professional Beauty 2023. I usually like to visit beauty exhibition shows like this just to see what's new in the beauty industry, and also to shop one or two things for personal use and also for work. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Josie. I'm a makeup artist and a nail tech, and I love to share beauty, lifestyle, and travel content here on my channel. So this is my third time at Professional Beauty London, and I am super excited to be here. It's one of the biggest beauty exhibition shows in London, and I always try not to miss it whenever I'm in London. I like to shop things for my makeup work as well as my nail work, and also to buy things for personal use. And so stick around to see what some of the exhibitors had to show, and also to find out some of the conferences I went to. Yes, they have talk shows, conferences, how to conferences, and so I don't miss that. I try to have one or two sessions whenever I visit. And so here are some of the brands that were exhibiting their products. And so stick around, enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you are interested in beauty, lifestyle, and travel content. I'd love to have you join the family.
Viscosity, so still soak off builder gels, but they can be used on tips or for sculpting. 16. There are 16 new shades. Oh, 60 new shades. How exciting is that? So going back to the demo, so we're going to start out by applying how the product is going to last, how it's going to stay on. Because we're working straight on the tips today, we're going to go straight on with our dehydrator and our primer. So usually you would have done all your full cuticle work, taken the shine off the nail, filed your free edges. Obviously, if you're extending, ideally our builder gel is recommended to be used over tips. Although it's a thicker viscosity gel, so it is for building, it works better on tips at the moment than sculpting. Now we've got a big launch coming at the end of June. For those of you who don't know, 25th of June we're going to have a huge launch party where we're launching this completely clean and dehydrated prior to application.
Things are booking up. You don't want to hit that slide.
Yeah, and it makes it easy with Figaro. Click, the rebook, done.
How many times would you say you need to follow up with your customers before they actually get that rebooking? Because I would imagine not every customer is so eager to be like, oh, listen,
I don't need to do anything.
Yeah, you said that automatically. Yeah, that's £6 for sure. Not that bad. That goes.
Because I used to go on skincare counters and I remember carrots used to be it in the day. And now it's just sort of taken a back. But years ago, everyone used to use carrots and carrots. And I remember I used to work there with the red tamar and
how good is an outfit. It's not just that.
So after first session, I will get the result, but then you wait a little bit because you continue.
So you see, and then you maintain your treatment for having treatment.
Okay, so for beginning it will make 6 seasons, no? 6 treatments.
Yes.
And how often per week?
No, but for the first 6 treatments,
That means which is unisex. They can do.
long pack, one sort of pack.
It was just there.
Yes, I am.
Hi there. I'm the owner of Plethora Golden League Moments. I sell luxury and natural body products, and hair products, body scrubs, body butters, body oils. You can find me at Plethora Gem. That's PLETHORAGEM_ on Instagram, and my website as well, www.plethoragem.co.uk.
Okay, thank you. So I got a few products from Plethora Gem. I got the body butter and then the body scrub, which I enjoyed using. I love the fresh scent of the scrub as well as the body butter. And yeah, such a lovely lady. Please check her out on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have come this far in this video, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching.
Where is the other Chelsea?
Found one yet that works as well if you don't in 60 seconds, but I find you get such a better stick with foil if you cure them for 2 minutes. So I would always recommend whatever brands you've used. If you ever find one, but I've not found one that doesn't work as well if you cure it for less time. And then we're going to go with the gold foil. So we've just got just plain gold foil. Because where it's loose powders, you don't want to get any transfer, so you don't want to I always say as well, there's no other art that anyone would do where the customer is literally because they be someone else while you're trying to figure out what you're doing. Do you know what I mean?
Thank you so much. That was so cool.
Oh, you made it look
Sorry, I'm talking around. Yeah, you do. Hi, hey everyone. We are Oh My Lash. Please take a look at our store online. Our website is www.ohmylash.uk, or you can do it on Instagram, which is ohmylash_UK. We have loads of lashes for everyone's different eye shapes. Take a look and let us know. Make sure to tag us. Alright, thank you. Bye.
So far, I got a few lashes from Oh My Lash and some other products from some of the other stands, especially for my nail work, because there was not much catering to makeup. It was more of skincare, aesthetics, body massage, and yeah. It's always an opportunity and a great privilege for me to travel to see what's new in the beauty industry. And so yeah, that's it for this video. It was time to head home. I'm so happy you were able to stick around to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Mwah. Bye fam.